In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Samson PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Samson game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to optimize the graphic setting, then just press the escape button to pause your game. Then go into options, and now go into video. Here you will see various different settings, such as the ability to enable DLSS, FSR, and TSR. Try using different ones to see which one fits your device well. You can set them to quality or performance, and even the balanced mode. Now, within the quality preset, you can try using auto set so that the game will automatically detect the best settings based on your hardware. But if this option doesn't give you the best results, then you will need to go into preset. Here you can find various presets ranging from performance, which is the lowest preset, balanced, quality, and ultra. If you have the necessary resources, you can try using the Ultra preset, then apply your changes by clicking on Confirm. After applying your changes, you will need to restart your game to apply these changes. So click on Apply to restart, and now you can go back into your game and see how your settings feel. If the performance is not up to your liking, then you can once again go back into Options. And from the Video tab, you can try reducing the preset by one step, then once again apply your changes, and go back to the game. By following this pattern, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Samson game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.